Creating and designing a website can seem daunting, but that's why we're here to help. In this video, we're sharing essential tips to help you build a website that looks great and provides a fantastic user experience. First up, prioritize clarity and simplicity. A clean layout is key. Think about how users will interact with your site and guide them seamlessly with a well-structured navigation menu and intuitive site architecture. Avoid overwhelming your visitors with too much information or too many design elements. Next, aim for a consistent and professional look. Stick to a consistent branding with fonts, colors, and overall style. Feature high-quality images and optimize them for the web for a polished feel and fast loading times. Also, prioritize readability with clear fonts and well-structured text. No one wants to struggle to read your site. Design with the user in mind and remember, mobile first. Most users will likely view your website on a mobile device, so make sure your site is responsive and looks great on all screen sizes. Focus on adding clear calls to action, or CTAs, and simple interactions. When it comes to interactive design elements, make sure they're easy to use and add clear CTAs to guide users toward the next steps. Finally, test and iterate based on feedback. Before launching, test your website to make sure everything works properly, and always be open to feedback to make improvements as needed, since web design is a continuous process. Looking for a stunning custom website designed by professionals? Visit us at pspinc.com/web-design. We're here to help bring your web design vision to life.